Two basic ways of enjoying oud. One is by using a cibism heater, which is more for the connoisseurs, and I will talk about this in another video. And the other is by using a modhan, or also known as an incense burner, which you can purchase from most online stores and on mine. The other thing is to purchase ignitable charcoal, which you can purchase from most supermarkets. And once the charcoal has burnt and it's has the grey ash all over it, that's the best time to place your oud chip. To get the most out of your oud experience, I would suggest to do all this at a time when you're at peace in your own mind and you'll have a quiet space to actually indulge in this amazing experience.